911, what's your emergency?
ልጅቷም ትወሰዳለች። ፖሊሶችም በፍጥነት ምርመራ ይጀምራሉ እና ተጠርጣሪውን ያገኙታል። ወደ ተጠርጣሪው ቤትም ይሄዳሉ እና ሌላ ልጅ ነበረች ግሬሲ ግን አልነበረች።
Who's that little girl? My girlfriend's Kia. I'm looking after her today. Where my girl at work? Hell, man. Did somebody call 911 to report me?
Why'd you run when you saw us?
It's a natural reaction to the cops.
Yeah? Nothing to do with your two outstanding warrants?
Oh, man, I can't never catch a damn break.
ቢሆንም ፖሊሶቹ ግን የያዙት ተጠርጣሪ በሌላ ወንጀል የሚፈልግ ነው እንጂ ግሬስን የወሰዳት አልነበረም። እናትየውም ሌላ ተጠርጣሪ ትነግራቸዋለች። ፖሊሶቹም ወደ ቦታው ሄደውም የተጠርጣሪውን ጎረቤት ያገኙታል እና ስለ ሁኔታው ነግረው እሱን ይጠይቁታል ማለት ነው።
Any idea when he might be back?
No, I got no idea, sorry. What's this about?
Well, a car with a similar description was used in a crime this morning.
Oh, well, are you sure it was his car?
We're just checking out some leads.
ቢሆንም ሰውየው ሲያወራ ይንተባተብ ስለነበር ሴቷ ፖሊስ ትጠራጠራል።
My gut tells me something is off about that guy, Deke. Notice how he didn't ask what crime the car was used for?
Yeah, people usually do want to know all the lurid details.
ፖሊሶቹም ጥርጣሬያቸውን ለማረጋገጥ ሰውየው ጋር ሄደው ያንኳኳሉ። ካንኳኩም በኋላ ይጠይቁታል እና ብቻውን እንደሆነና ማንም እንደሌለ ይነግራቸዋል። ሴቷ ፖሊስም የህፃን ልጅ ድምጽ ትሰማና የሮጠች ወደ ቤቱ ትገባለች። ስትገባም ግን የውሻ ድምጽ ነበር የሰማችው። ዞር እያለች እያየች እንዳለ የግሬሲ
Don't move.
It's all Gracie's favorites.
Hey, get off me!
Where the hell is Gracie? What did you do with her?
ሴቷ ፖሊስ ያገኘችው የግሬሲን የምትወዳቸውን ምግቦች ነው። ተጠርጣሪውንም ወደ ፖሊስ ጣቢያ ይዘውት ሄዳሉ እና ግሬሲ የት እንዳለች ይጠይቁታል። እሱም የተሳሳተ ሰው እንደያዙ ይነግራቸዋል።
This is a wrongful arrest and I am going to sue your asses into the ground.
Once we find evidence, which we will, we are going to nail your ass to the wall.
I'm sorry, what was that, Officer Chan?
Annie.
Who is that?
Kim's wife. She's a public defender.
የዋናው መርማሪ ሚስት የሆነችው ጠበቃ ወደ ምርመራው ክፍል በመግባት ወደ ቤቱ ያለ ፍቃድ እንደገቡና ያለምንም ማስረጃ ሰውየውን እንዳሰሩትና እነሱንም እንደምትከሳቸው ተነግራቸዋለች።
And if you had something more substantial, none of this would be admissible in court.
Thank you. This is what I've been trying to tell you.
Be quiet. You don't have anything on my client. You need to let him go.
ጠበቃዋ ምንም አይነት ተጨባጭ ማስረጃ እንደሌላቸውና ተጠርጣሪውን እንዲለቁት ተነግራቸዋለች። ዋናው መርማሪ ባለቤቷም ቢያስረዳትም ልትሰማው
አልቻለች። Want to find her? Do your job properly.
For God's sakes. The best chance we have to find this little girl is to convince that man to talk. But you're letting him walk.
I'm not letting him. The law is. Even if he's guilty, he's not going to say anything anyway.
Thanks to you.
I will fight to maintain my client's innocence until you prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he is guilty. Those are our jobs.